45 amazing historical photos. You need to see history comes alive through pictures. They capture moments, emotions, and stories that words sometimes fail to express. Today, we take you on a journey through 45 rare and amazing historical photos that will leave you fascinated. Let's dive in. We start with the photograph that captured the moment humanity took to the skies. The Wright Brothers' first flight in 1903. This image represents the dawn of modern aviation. Here's Albert Einstein in a candid moment, reminding us that even the greatest minds in history have a playful side. A rare look at the Eiffel Tower mid-construction in 1888. This engineering marvel took over 2 years to build and is now one of the most recognized landmarks in the world. The Woodstock Festival in 1969 was a defining moment of the counterculture movement. This photo captures the spirit of peace, love, and music. This iconic shot of Buzz Aldrin on the moon is a testament to human ambition and exploration. Notice Neil Armstrong's reflection in his helmet. A haunting yet hopeful image of Titanic survivors on the rescue ship Carpathia in 1912. This photograph offers a rare glimpse into the life of a samurai in Japan during the 1860s, just before their era came to an end. Taken in Paris, this image from 1838 is the first photograph to include a person. The man was getting his shoes shined, captured in a moment of stillness. A Hollywood legend with a quirky twist, Audrey Hepburn was often seen with her pet deer, Pippin, including during casual shopping trips. This image of a suffragette being arrested during a protest reminds us of the sacrifices made in the fight for women's right to vote. Amid the chaos of World War I, this photo captures the Christmas truce of 1914, where soldiers from opposing sides came together to celebrate. The famous kiss on VJ Day in Times Square, symbolizing the end of World War II and the start of peace. This eerie photo from World War II Britain shows a young child wearing a gas mask, a reminder of the constant threat of air raids. A powerful symbol of resilience, this photo from Iwo Jima has become one of the most iconic images of World War II. A heartbreaking photo of Anne Frank, taken shortly before she went into hiding during the Holocaust. A snapshot of American culture in the 1950s, this soda shop image captures the innocence and charm of the era. Muhammad Ali's innovative training methods, like this underwater session, show why he was the greatest. This Abbey Road photo of the Beatles became one of the most famous album covers of all time. The king of rock and roll in uniform, Elvis Presley's time in the army showed a different side of the superstar. Nelson Mandela walking free after 27 years in prison. This moment marked the beginning of a new era for South Africa. Which photo amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments. These 45 photos are more than just images. They're windows into the past, each with a story to tell. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Until next time, stay curious.